Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn last part of the Turtle's true story of Sea Turtle written by Bhau Kadare. Yesterday we have seen that the homestay families provide the accommodation to the tourists. Also, these families give the 10% of their income from the homestay for the Turtle Protection Club. And the project was interested to the local people because of it believe that it is not only the local villagers who can offer excellent protection to the local species, and that's why means this organization they means try to convince the people to means they also as a part of protection and conservation of turtle. Okay, and also means this idea of conservation of nature through livelihood. They means through this idea, nature has to conserve and protected while doing this. People are also provided with the employment. It become very means livelihood in for example in Veras village tourists came to a large scale to see the turtle hatchling, and these tourists were given the food and provide them the house of villagers, and this brought in business and money for them. However, in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the hatchlings which the tourists came to see, and therefore they took plan to protect the turtles and conserving this bit of nature. Okay, conserving this bit of nature means conserving the turtle, and this is the idea of conservation of nature through livelihood. Okay, now next part. Sahyadri Nisargamitra, our organization, believe that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Means Sahyadri Nisargamitra organization believe that it is only these local people who can ultimately offer the excellent protection to the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation project becomes sustainable. And if they will get the chance, then they will become the part of this conservation project. With this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, and with the belief of the villagers, this organization entrusted the project to the forest department. And the Gram Panchayat and the villagers and their turtle friend clubs, all of them are handling it wonderfully. And through this means this Sahyadri Nisargamitra organization, they hand over this project to the forest department as well as Gram Panchayat of village and turtle friend club of each village, and because of that they all this part they handling this project wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. And now these organizations means these volunteer and this all the member of this organization, they are very happy because this project is running smoothly, and also they offer means this organization offer if there is a need of their help, they can offer them the help of this organization. Okay, like this way our lesson finished. Okay, now see, you have to solve these lessons beside questions. Okay, if there is any difficulties you can ask me. Okay, tomorrow see, now here is the question means English workshop. See this question number Prepare a short note on sea turtles with the help of the information given in the passage. Means sea turtle, we have to write the information of sea turtle. For example, there are 7 types of turtle in all over the world. 5 of them found in India. All this information, olive ridley, hogbill, okay, green, means these turtles are found in, means like this way you can write the information of this, means as a short note. And then next is explain the idea of conservation of nature through livelihood briefly using the example given here. See, means that here in the last paragraph, here this livelihood concept is explained. Means that means this Sahyadri Nisargamitra organization believed that it is only the local villager who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Okay. And also conservation project becomes sustainable. With the belief, we entrusted the project to the department. Okay. Project becomes sustainable. It is still this and means sustainable. There is the concept of livelihood. Okay. Then next, it is a grammar question. We will discuss afterward. Grammar question. You have to write question number 2 and question number 5 in your notebook, and also beside questions. Okay. Beside questions are also easy. You will get the answer in this. If you read this lesson carefully, then you will get the answers, all these questions answer in this lesson. Okay. Thank you.